Hello students, this is remote learning initiative undertaken by Shet Vidya Mandir English High School CBSE. Myself Preetham De Silva, your SST teacher, and today we are going to deal with Standard 5, Chapter 17, Colonial Rule. Part 3, The Revolt of 1857. Students, this revolt was the first war of independence. All sections of the Indian society were unhappy under the British rule. The Indian kings were unhappy as they were afraid of losing their kingdoms. People thought that their religion was in danger because many of them were being converted to Christianity by the missionaries. The farmers were unhappy as they had to pay heavy taxes and grow cotton and indigo. Traders and businessmen were not allowed to trade or manufacture items of their choice. The Indian soldiers were forced to use the new cartridges coated with the fat of cows and pigs. Students, Mangal Pandey was the first soldier to refuse using new cartridges. All this together contributed to spark up a revolt. This revolt started from Meerut, UP, and soon it reached other cities, but it was finally crushed by the British. Main heroes of the revolt. Students, the people who headed the revolt were Rani Lakshmi Bai of Jhansi, Nana Sahib, Tantia Topi, Kuvar Singh, Begum Hasrat Mahal, Rao Tularam, and hundreds of others who had fought against the British. Students, Bahadur Shah Zafar, the Mughal emperor, led the revolt, but he was exiled to Burma where he died later. Causes of failure of the revolt of 1857. Students, it was not well organized. It did not spread to all parts of the country. People did not fight for a common cause. Bahadur Shah Zafar could not lead the people strongly. The Indian soldiers neither had enough money nor enough weapons to continue the revolt. Turning point of the 1857 revolt. Students, the revolt of 1857 was a turning point in the Indian history as rule of the British East India Company came to an end and India came under the direct control of the British Crown. Birth of the Indian National Congress. Students, the Indian National Congress was founded by AOU in 1885. The first session of the Indian National Congress was held in Mumbai, in which W.C. Banerjee was the first president. In 1905, when the government decided to divide Bengal, it opposed the move strongly. The Swadeshi and boycott movements were launched against the partition in 1906. Congress leaders had two groups, moderates and radicals. The moderates believed in discussions and appeals. The radicals did not believe in appeals but favored strikes and boycotts. Three leaders, Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, and Bipin Chandra Pal, were the famous radical leaders. They were popularly called Lal Bal Pal. Some young revolutionaries were also active. Aurobindo Ghosh and Veer Savarkar were among them. They believed in the cult of the bomb, cult, system or fashion.